Hi, it's Neil Weber with Heckler. We're here at ISE 25 in Barcelona. And I want to show you two new products that we introduced here at the show. And we designed them in collaboration with Microsoft and with Logitech. This is the Heckler Express Install tabletop stand, and then the Heckler Express Install rolling stand. The whole idea is that, first off, they can be installed in a room by one person in an hour or less, and completely toollessly. So the tabletop stand we have designed to house, as it says here, for 42-inch to 55-inch displays. Because we're thinking small rooms, we want to keep it compact. And then we can mount any of the Logitech room-based products. In this case, it's a Logitech Meetup 2. Also the Rally Bar Huddle fits as well. But you can see it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. The base counterweights the display. And we have down here, these slot areas are sized for metric 4s so that we can mount all-in-ones to them as well. You can also, it's a good place to store the tap. And then we left about an 8-inch gap so that it lifts the base up so that you can run cabling out and it looks nice and neat as well. We'll show you some features on the back, but first I want to move over here to the rolling stand. Same concept, although if you're familiar with our carts, you might notice that this is a bit more compact. And we did that again because space is such a premium in these meeting spaces that you don't want a gigantic cart dominating the space. So this is about the width of a normal office chair. You move the office chair out of the way, you roll the display into place, and you're meeting. Effectively, you're taking the people on the far side and you're seating them at the empty chair at the table. But on the back, so first off, there's a place for the Logitech Tap and the Logitech all-in-ones, whether it's a Rally or the Meetup 2. But then on the back is really where it gets kind of cool. We know that there's a lot of clutter that comes along with meeting on wheels, and that's what this device panel is for. It gives you a nice, this is the Heckler grid, gives you a space to bundle up all the cabling, and it's hidden behind this, which is a rigid PET panel. This is made out of recycled plastic bottles, and gives you a nice handy audience view, which you can see over here. So it's installed on the tabletop, and again, same concept. All the gear is nice and neat and hidden from sight. We'll be shipping these in Q2. And for more information, come see us at heckler.com.